Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Prashant and today I am going to show one more trick in iOS development which will basically save your time while working on the iOS apps. So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can open any file quickly. So today's video will be very short. So since suppose you have a big project like this where you have multiple files and multiple folders, and inside that you have multiple Swift files, and suppose if you want to go to any file, like here inside button I have this Swift file called gf button, but I don't know how to go there. So what I will do is I will press command shift and o all three together, and I will write here gf button. So it will directly show me there in the completion, and if I press enter here, it will directly open that class. So this is the shortcut which you can use to open the class directly if you don't know. Also, if you want to search for functions also you can do, like I have one function in my project that is get followers, but I don't know now in which folder I have written that. So for that I will do same command shift o, that is this is basically called as open quickly. So I will say here get followers, and you can see it is showing me in the completion handler at the bottom. And if you toggle or if you press arrows, you can see you can move between the options, and which one is selected in the blue highlighter you can press enter and it will directly open that function. So you can see here it is showing me the actual function here. So this is how easy you can directly jump through your different functions or you can or your classes in Xcode. So that's all guys for today's video. If you have liked this trick, make sure you hit the like button, and thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.